Grand awakening, Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks. Check out the NFTs and the music. Great products are there. Your word of the day is returning to your heart. Return to your soul, your spirit. What do you love to do? Your favorite activities. What is your gift? What is your hobbies? Of course, you can be anything in the world. You could be the president of the United States. You could be the treasurer. You could be a big superstar, an actor, or a rapper, an artist, a singer. But what is your natural gift that you don't have to try to do? You can be and do anything, but what can you do second nature that is so natural to you that you're great at? Return to that. Return to your favorite activities, the things that you like to do. Return to your favorite foods. And that way, as you're centered, you'll find your power. Be original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. No one has the same fingerprints, nor DNA, or intentions and superpowers as you down here. So make sure you exercise those things and be yourself. I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul. For the present moment, I calm my thoughts. And I focus on my heart and find a space to be where my light and greatness are. I find peace in my inner silence. You guys are ready to skyrocket to the next level. I love you guys. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.